What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the key limiter tool inside the piano roll, alright? This tool is pretty sauce, okay? So we have this MIDI that I just threw in here. Let's play it. But yeah, this key limiter tool lets you transpose your melody, okay? So let me show you what I'm talking about. We can go to the drop down menu, go to tools, and then go to limit. The shortcut is Alt-K. Alright, and when we go to this, we can choose what key we want to transpose it to. So let's just transpose it to like a G. And then let's just do a G minor. And then it's going to move the notes to get into that scale. Alright, and then you could choose whether you want the notes that so for some notes, they don't hit the exact note that it's supposed to be. It's either needs to be moved up one or down depending on the scale. So you can choose whether you want that to snap up, down, or alternate depending on the situation. Alright, so if we left click on the white bar up here, we can drag a range. If we have it be really small, there won't be much dynamics going. So we can just have it out here, something like this. Move over here, bring this range out a little bit more. Now let's hear it. I'm going to click this note. Just left click it. That's going to completely transpose it even more. Now you can get even crazier with this. You can put this in a completely different scale. Let's transfer it to a Dorian scale or something. How about a sus4? Just a chord. Try this M11. So as long as you have some kind of key pattern or melody pattern, you could literally get anything with this limiter slash transposer, okay? So don't be sleeping on that tool. I hope it brings you some sauce. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.